Today we're gonna talk about situation when you were late.
Get ready!
Go!
I'm usually punctual, but I made a big mistake last month. I was late for my best friend's wedding ceremony held in my hometown, Shanghai. It was early in the morning when I took a taxi and told the driver the name of the hotel where the ceremony was to be held. But unfortunately, I was so sleepy that I took a little nap. It wasn't until the car stopped that I woke up, only to find we went to the wrong place. The driver mistook the hotel for another one. Then I had to go from the very east of the city to the west of it. It turned out that I was late for the ceremony for nearly an hour. I still remember every detail of the situation on that day. When I walked in, the newlyweds were proposing a toast to the guests. It was a pity that I missed most important part of the wedding. What's even worse, I couldn't find my seat in such a hurry. I bent down and kept walking around to look for the seat with my name pasted on it. I felt so embarrassed, for many people were staring at me. After the ceremony, I apologized to the couple face to face, telling them the whole story and my regrets. They forgave me immediately. The next morning, I went to a flower shop and bought a bunch of flowers. Then I sent flowers together with an apology letter to the couple. For me, it was the most embarrassing experience. I wouldn't be so careless if there's an important activity again.